Hi there! I'm Stella from Stella's Yarn Universe, and in this video I'll show you how to chain and single crochet, or double crochet as we call it here in the UK. So afterwards you'll be able to start your very first crochet project. Yay! Exciting! So if you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I hope you'll enjoy it. Most crochet projects begin with a chain. Unless you want to crochet in a circle, in which case you'd begin with a magic ring or magic circle. But I'll show you how to do this in a different video. So for now we start by making a chain. And to do that, we first need to make a slip knot. So lay the yarn over your index finger, the index finger of your left hand, and wrap the end around your thumb from beneath. Now hold the end in place with your pinky and ring finger. You can also hold this end in place slightly. And now insert your crochet hook in the loop on your thumb from beneath and pick up the yarn that's laying over your index finger. Now pull it through the loop and carefully remove your thumb. Now pull the end tight, and here's our slip knot. I would like my sample to be 10 stitches wide, so I will make a chain of 10. So I wrap the yarn twice around my index finger and hold the end in place with my middle finger and thumb. Now I pick up the yarn and rotate my crochet hook about 90 degrees, like this, and pull the yarn through the slip knot. That's it, that's our first chain here. And repeat. Pick up the yarn, rotate 90 degrees, and pull it through the loop. That's 2. Pick up the yarn, rotate, and pull through. That's 4. And this should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exactly. Now, because I want to single crochet in the next row, I need to make an extra chain. 11. That's because I can't crochet into the first chain because that's where my yarn comes from, right? So we always should, if we want to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And in most crochet patterns you will read something like this: crochet in second from hook. So this is what they mean. Here's your hook and you count 1, 2, and this is the chain you need to crochet in. So insert your hook into the second chain. So you have 1 thread on top of your hook besides the loop that's already on. Pick up the yarn, pull it through. Now yarn over and pull it through both loops. And this is our single crochet. And now move on to the next chain. Insert your hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. Pick up the yarn over again, rotate, again same as when we were making the chain, and pull it through both loops. Second single crochet. Now again, move on to the third chain. Insert, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Next one, insert, yarn over, pull through both loops. By the way, in the UK this is called double crochet, so don't confuse it. If you're in the US, it's single crochet. If you're in the UK, it's double crochet. Again, insert, pick up yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn and pull it through both loops. I write my patterns in American terminology as well as British terminology, so if you should ever choose to download one of my patterns, you will have both options to choose from. And now the last one, insert your hook, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over again and pull through both loops. So now we made 10 single crochets, and we will now make a second row because it's slightly different crocheting into an existing row of single crochets compared to crocheting the first row into the chain. So now we need to make a chain again. And turn our work around, and now we will single crochet all the way back. So this time it's a bit different. If you look at the stitches from above, they look like a braid, right? And this is where you want to insert your hook in here. So both these threads will be visible on top of your hook. So now you pick up the yarn and pull it through and yarn over again and pull it through both loops. And again, insert your hook here so that you have both threads on top of your hook. Pick up the yarn, pull it through, yarn over and pull it through both. If it says in your instructions single crochet or double crochet, if they're written in British terminology, it means that you insert your hook here so you have both of these threads on top. But in some instructions it will tell you only crochet in the back, so this would mean only crochet in here, or maybe just in the front, so only in here. But this will be specified. If they just mention single crochet, it means you want to have both of these on top of your hook. So pick up the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull it through both. Insert here, pull it through, and pull it through both. So the chain stitch and the single crochet are the most basic stitches. So now that you know these, you can start your very first crochet project. And the last one is always a bit tricky. yarn over and pull through both loops. And here we are, 2 rows of single crochet or double crochet if you are in the UK. So I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Just write your question in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you enjoyed this and have fun starting your very first crochet project.